Hi all, welcome back. In previous video we saw how we could make sure a column called emp name as not null by using not null constraint. Now we want to make sure our column as unique. So we want to make sure emp number as unique. So if you look at the kind of data we are going to insert, we could see phone number also should be a unique value, because we can't insert a phone number which is already using some other employees. So each employee must have a unique phone number. So I'm going to use unique constraint for phone number, then we'll insert unique constraint for emp number. So first I'm going to insert unique constraint for phone number. So let's insert. So first let's drop the table and recreate again. Now I'm going to create the table with the unique constraint for phone number. Now let's insert some dummy data. So we inserted 6 records, and if you go to the select statement, you could see there are 6 records are there. Now I'm going to insert one more record with phone number ending 1003. The value is 08785700103. So if I execute, the data will insert, and we could see a new record, employee ID 7 is inserted. If I try to insert one more record with the same value, I will get an error. So let's try to insert one more record with the same phone number. I will get an error saying that violation of unique key constraint. Cannot insert duplicate value. So the duplicate value is something like 1003, ending with 1003. So I must specify a new value. I can't use the value which is already assigned to some other record. So I'm going to use new value, and if I try to execute, this value will get inserted. Now if I try to retrieve the data, I could see a new record is inserted. So this is how we could insert unique value. Now in next video I will show how we could insert or how we make sure our employee number column is unique. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.